Traders, welcome back. Today we are back on gold, and if you missed our previous analysis, make sure you check the video on this channel because the market is still reacting exactly around the key level we highlighted before. As we discussed in our previous breakdown, the major key level around $4,522 was our main zone to watch. I clearly explained that if price respected this level as resistance, we would look for a continuation sell setup targeting the downside around $4,372. At the same time, I also mentioned that if price failed to respect this level and managed to break above it, then we would wait for the retest and look for a continuation buy setup targeting the upside around $4,747. And as we can see, traders, price has now reached this exact level and is currently consolidating right around it. The market has not clearly decided yet whether this zone will continue acting as resistance or whether buyers are strong enough to turn it into support. If you look closely at the recent candles, you can clearly see that price is trading right in between the level without giving a strong breakout in either direction. This tells us buyers and sellers are both active at this area and the market is waiting for confirmation before making the next major move. That is why the close of the current candle becomes extremely important. This key level around $4,522 remains our main decision zone on gold, and how price closes around it will likely determine the next setup. So here is exactly what I am watching for. If the candle closes below the level around $4,522, then we are going to continue treating this zone as resistance. In that case, we wait for a proper retest of the level, and if sellers step in with bearish confirmation, then we are going to look for a continuation sell setup targeting the downside around $4,372. However, traders need to stay flexible because the market can quickly shift momentum. If price closes above the level around $4,522, then that gives us confirmation that buyers have successfully reclaimed the zone and turned it into support. In that case, we wait for a clean retest of the broken level, and if buyers defend it with strong bullish confirmation, then we are going to look for a continuation buy setup targeting the upside around $4,747. Another important thing traders should watch closely is candle behavior around this level. If price starts printing rejection candles and sellers continue failing to push lower, that can be an early sign that buyers are gaining momentum and preparing for a breakout higher. But if bearish candles begin closing strongly below the level with increased momentum, then that would increase the chances of a downside continuation and confirm the bearish setup. So to summarize everything clearly, the key level around $4,522 remains our main key level to watch on gold. If the candle closes below, we wait for the retest and look for a continuation sell setup targeting $4,372. But if the candle closes above, we wait for the retest and look for a continuation buy setup targeting $4,747. Traders, gold is sitting right at a major decision point. Do you think buyers are about to reclaim this level, or will sellers keep control and push price lower? All right, traders, that is all we have on gold for today. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and always wait for confirmation before entering the market. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.